Hi there, and today I bring you different ways to say to stop doing something. For example, to quit. To quit is to stop doing something completely. He decided to quit his job. He decided to stop working where he's working now. The next phrase is to give up. To give up is to stop trying or to stop doing something. Please don't give up on your dreams. Keep on trying. The next phrase is to call it quits. To call it quits means to stop doing something. They called it quits after an argument. The next phrase is to drop out. To drop out is to leave school or a course. For example, he dropped out of college. The following phrase is to wrap up. To wrap up is to finish something. So let's wrap up the meeting. Let's finish the meeting. Another phrasal verb is to move on. To move on means to leave something behind and start something new. For example, it's time to move on to the new project. So it's time to leave everything behind and start something new. Another phrasal verb is to phase out. To phase out means to stop using something gradually or doing something gradually. For example, the school phased out old uniform. So the school decided to stop using old uniforms. The following phrase is to call off. To call off is to cancel an event. For example, the teacher called off the class. The class was cancelled. And the last phrase for today is to kick the habit. To kick the habit means to stop a bad habit. For example, he kicked the habit of smoking, so he gave up smoking. Well done for him.